lot of Parkinson's patients take physical therapy. It's really important in a disease to keep dexterity. Right now I'm on a medication which is 25-100s, levodopa, carbidopa, selegiline, Azilect, and a generic version of Maripax. The medications I take, about 17 pills a day. I'm sort of in between meds right now, and I have some flexibility in my hands, so when I do, I take advantage of this time to work on my keyboard. Now, I'm not a piano player, and so I bought this about 8 months ago because rather than invest my time into physical therapy, I thought that it would be best to learn something at the same time. So I chose to teach myself piano. I never really played keyboard in my life. I decided I've taken no lessons. I'm just going to I just use it more to keep my fingers and hands and dexterity limber. Let's put our brains together and support brain research. Visit www.neurofilmfestival.com.